Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue PS5 is not downloading games in rest mode. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system go to power saving. Then go to features available in rest mode. Select it. Here we have to enable this option. Stay connected to the internet in rest mode. Enable this option. Done. So when we enable this, PS5 will use internet in rest mode. Then go back. Then under settings, select saved data and game or app settings. Go to automatic updates. Here we have to enable these two options, auto download, then auto install in rest mode. Done. So this way we can fix this issue. So after this, PS5 will allow to download game in rest mode. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.